Hi, my name is Ryan, and I help lead out our media strategy efforts here at Northbeam. In this video, I just want to walk through our new sales page and a little feature that I'm personally a huge fan of that hopefully improves your quality of life just a little bit. Okay, so common scenario that we run into is, hey, we're looking to analyze metrics over the last quarter and view those trend lines, right? Sometimes what can happen, especially on a hourly or granular basis, those time periods a little tough to see trends, especially if we have a lot of platforms going on. It can muddy the waters a little bit. We've now made it super easy to come up here and toggle something to like a monthly. So now when we change granularity to monthly, what we'll see is the period selectors up here adjust. And so right now I'm looking at a 6-month comparison, right? And I'm going to remove that compare to. And so right here now I'm looking at spend and ROAS over the last 6-month period, not on a daily granular basis. So little feature set improvement that hopefully makes your life a whole lot easier. Okay, thanks. Bye.